Hi there, I'm Amir speaking, and this is our chat or our inbuilt MCP. You can access that in the Ocean platform on the left-hand bar right below the search. The way this works is that you simply describe what you want to reach out to, or basically your ICP, and the AI will search in the Ocean.io database to find exactly that. So let's try with this prompt here. Find me companies similar to Salesforce in the US. Now, after a few seconds, I will have a list of lookalikes to Salesforce in this case, and I can also narrow it down. 5,000 companies might be a lot to go through. You can see as it found this many. So the AI gave me some ideas to narrow down my list with either company size, add a subsegment, or search within the region. For me, I want to find contacts. So find me contacts in the sales team for the first 20 companies. I want 3 contacts per company. And that's it. Now from companies, I can go directly find the contacts that are working in these companies, and I can also export the data, send it to my CRM system, export it as CSV file. If I have an outreach tool connected, I can simply prompt that so the AI will send the data to my outreach tool. You can also see some suggestions here. I can reveal contact info such as phone number and email, or what I can also do is find signals. So what the AI can do is that it can find me if it is a good timing to reach out to these people or not. So let's try find me if it's a good time to reach out to the first 5 companies. What it will do then is it will search within the signals that the AI has. For example, if there has been a leadership change, or if the company went through funding, or their team is growing, the AI will find these signals and list them for me here. So now I know exactly if it's a good time to reach out to these companies or not. I can see that for the first 5 companies, the first 3, Sugar CRM, HubSpot, Insightly, there has been a new leadership change, and their team is also growing. Same thing with HubSpot and Insightly. I can see who joined, in what position, and if their team is growing or not. And for the other ones, since it didn't find any signals, it said exactly that hey, there's no trigger for that. So I might want to wait on those. What I can do next is I can even draft an outreach. So let's try this with the first company it found and see how that works. All done. Now I have an email that I can use. Simply copy and paste it to that person, and you can see it exactly mentioned the things that I need to have mentioned. I can adjust it, adjust the tone, change the hook, or even adjust it as I wish with a simple prompt. So with a few prompts here, I found the target audience that I want to reach out to. I found the timing, if it's a good time to reach out to now, and even a draft. Now I can send it to my data, to my CRM system, or I can send it to my outreach tool, and that's basically all you need to do. Just the prompt, and you have all the data that you need to have. What you can do on top of that is you can add context to the AI. With that, you simply write in your company URL link, your website. What the AI then does is it will read your website, find what makes you different, who are your competitors, what are you trying to sell, um, or what service are you offering, and then you will have a company profile drafted for you. You can, of course, change it or adjust it um, as you wish, which we can see in a few minutes. So the AI will automatically do that already. You can see I now have the draft ready. It identified 3 products and services and a description for my company, the ideal customer, uh, then differentiators, competitors, and more. I can have this for all of the products that I have, or even add another product if it didn't find that yet. What the AI will do is each time I will have a new prompt here, the AI will have that data in the backend. So with each prompt, I will get even more accurate data uh, in my results. And if I have my CRM system connected, it will also, or it can, if you wish, because you can always disable that, use that data to find even more accurate data without me having to refine it. It can already see within the pattern of data that I have in my CRM system on the closed lost or the closed won deals that I have to find the best possible results. Thanks for watching, and let me know if there are any other questions. Feel free to reach out to us to support@ocean.io.